Awards, thank you again for this Love Team of the Year award. Of course, I share this alongside Bel Mariano. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumoto, to all our supporters, all the judges, just everyone who consists of the VP Choice Awards. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye guys!
Hello guys! Good evening! Love Team of the Year! Siyempre, unang-una gusto kong magpasalamat kay Donnie. Thank you so much. And it's always a pleasure working with you. And to everyone that supported Don Bell, sa lahat ng Bubblies, Don Bell, maraming salamat po. We dedicate this award to you guys and we love you.
Hello po, VP Choice Awards Night. Maraming salamat po for this award, TV Actor of the Year. Sorry I can't be there right now, meron po kaming shoot ngayon. Pero maraming salamat for all the support throughout these years. And I dedicate this as well to all the supporters of Can't Buy Me Love and everyone who voted. Maraming salamat. And see you guys very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.
Good evening, everyone. This is Bel Mariano. Sorry I can't be there with you right now, but I'd like to thank VP Choice Awards for recognizing me as the Actress of the Year for Can't Buy Me Love. Wow, ang dami kong gustong pasalamatan. Siyempre, yung aking pamilya sa Can't Buy Me Love, to our directors, the production, the cast of Can't Buy Me Love, and my love team, thank you so much. And of course, to everyone that supported and showed their love sa Can't Buy Me Love, maraming salamat. I share this recognition with you guys and sa lahat ng bumoto at nagpuyat para sa inyo po ito. Wow! Performer of the Year for the concert Beloved. Grabe kayo guys. Siyempre gusto ko magpasalamat sa inyo. Thank you so much for voting. Grabe, you know, I think with terms of music, I'm still learning and I will continue to learn and I hope through my music, I continue to inspire more people. So thank you so much sa lahat po na nakikinig ng songs ko at sa lahat ng sumuporta ng concert. Maraming salamat para sa inyo.